Today we are going to discuss how to generate employee code in Zimyo HRMS. Let's get started with the navigation. First, log in on your Zimyo HRMS portal using your login credentials. This will take you to your dashboard. Then go to the Organization option after clicking on Organization. It navigates you to the settings. Now click on Employee Code. There you will get two options to create: manually generate and auto-generate. Click on auto-generate and auto-generate. You can make the prefix mandatory and configure it. And you can also enable temporary start code. Fill the details. And configure company code.